Now, for this particular question, we have the diagram which shows a pivoted coil between two poles of a magnet. The pivoted coil carries constant current in the direction shown. When the coil is released, it rotates and eventually stops at an angle theta to its original position. So in this case, this is a motor situation. Remember that you will always stop at the vertical position. So definitely remember that it stops at the 90-degree mark. Alright, so it cannot stop 180 because 180 means that the coil has just flipped upside down. Now we have to decide, is it going clockwise or anti-clockwise? So let's just consider this guy over here. We have the current flowing this way and the magnetic field going towards the right. So using my left hand rule, okay, remember we have current, which is your middle finger, okay, and B, which is your index finger. So in my left hand rule scenario, my fingers will be oriented this way. Alright, so my middle finger will actually be pointing into the page, okay, and my index finger will be pointing towards the right. Alright, and my thumb will be pointing down. Okay, so because my thumb is pointing down, force is pointing downwards, and P is pointing this way, and your current is pointing into the page. On this wire, we know that the force is downwards. And on the other wire, because the current is the opposite direction, this means that the force will also be in the opposite direction. So we can tell that this guy will rotate anti-clockwise. So best answer for this is A.